Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 Development of Computers. In your periodic test, all the questions are MCQ type. So, let's revise chapter 1 MCQ questions. Worksheet 1 Multiple choice questions MCQs. Tick the correct answer. First question is the first calculating device was option A is ENIAC, option B is Mark 1, option C is EDVAC and option D is Abacus. So first calculating device was Abacus. Correct answer is Abacus. Means the first calculating device was Abacus. Second question is which device was made of rods with numbers printed on them? Option A abacus, option B Napier's bones, option C Pascaline and option D Univac 1. And the correct answer of this question is Napier bones. Means which device was made of rods with numbers printed on them? Napier bones. Okay. Next question is question number third. Which the first successful commercial computer was? Option A Abacus, option B ENIAC, option C EDVAC and option D Univac 1. So correct answer of this question is Univac 1. The first successful commercial computer was Univac 1. Next question is which device had gears representing the position of digits? Option A Pascaline, option B Analytical Engine, option C Abacus and option D ENIAC. Okay, so correct answer of this question is Pascaline. Correct answer of this question is Pascaline. Means which device had gears representing the position of digits? Pascaline. Question number 5. Which device did Charles Babbage develop in 1833? Option A Abacus, option B ENIAC, option C Univac and option D Analytical Engine. Which option is correct? So option D is correct. Means Analytical Engine was developed by Charles Babbage in 1833. Okay. Next question is worksheet 2. Write T for true and F for false against the statements. Question 1. Abacus was the first calculating device. Option A true and option B false. So correct answer of this question is option A means true. Abacus was the first calculating device. True. Okay. Second question is Univac was developed in 1951. Option A true and option B false. Which option is correct? So option A is correct means answer of this question is true. Univac was developed in 1951. True. Okay. Third question is laptop can fit in your pocket. Option A true and option B is false. Which option is correct? So correct option of this question is false. Laptop can fit in your pocket. False. Okay. Next question is CPU chip is fitted on the motherboard. True or false? So CPU chip is fitted on the motherboard. True. Okay. Next question is A CU in a CPU does all the calculations and comparisons. Option A true and option B false. Option B is false. So correct answer of this question is option B, means false. A CU in CPU does all the calculations and comparisons. False. Okay. Next question is RAM is a permanent memory. Option A true and option B false. Which option is correct? So option B is correct. Means RAM is a permanent memory. False. Okay. Next question is storage devices are known as secondary memory. Option A true and option B is false. Which is correct option? So option A is correct. Storage devices are also known as secondary memory. True. Okay. Next question is 1, 2 are known as binary digits. Option A is true and option B is false. Tell me which option is correct. So option B means false is correct. 1, 2 are known as binary digits. False. Next question is 1024 MB equals to 1 kilobyte. Option A is true and option B is false. So correct answer of this question is option B, means 1024 MB equals to 1 kilobyte. False. Okay. Moving to next worksheet. Worksheet 3 is select the suitable words and fill in the blanks. In your periodic test, there will be two options for each question in fill in the blank section. First question is Napier bones was invented in 1617 by dash. Option A is John Napier and option B is Blaise Pascal. Tell me which option is correct. So option A is correct. John Napier, means John Napier invented Napier bones in 1617. Dash Pascaline was invented by dash in 1642. Suppose in your examination there are two options. Option A is John Napier and John Napier and option B is Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal. So correct answer of this question is Blaise Pascal, means option B is correct. Pascaline was invented by dash in 1642. So correct answer is Blaise Pascal, means Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline in 1642. Okay. Next question is dash is the temporary memory. Option A will be RAM and option B will be ROM. So correct answer of this question is option A, means RAM is the temporary memory. Okay. Next question is dash and dash are components of a CPU. So ALU and CU are components of a CPU. Maybe for this question there will be four options. Okay. So you have to select any two options of them. Okay. Next question is dash memory consists of storage devices. Option A will be primary memory, and option B will be secondary. Okay. So correct answer of this question is option B, means secondary memory. Secondary memory consists of storage devices. Next question is 0 and 1 are called dash digits. Option A, binary digits, and option B, octal digits. So correct answer of this question is option A, means 0 and 1 are called binary digits. Okay. Question number 7 is 1024 GB makes one dash. Option A, MB, and option B will be TB. So correct answer of this question is option B, means TB. 1024 GB makes one TB. Okay. Moving to the next worksheet. Match the following. Okay. Match the following. Column A and column B. Question 1 is abacus. Answer is the first device used for doing calculations, means abacus, first device used for doing calculations. Okay. Next question is portable PCs. Correct answer for this question is option C, PC is designed to be carried easily. Okay. Question third is CPU. CPU, and answer of this question is CPU, chip inside the system unit that is responsible for all the computations inside the computer. Question 4, CU. CU, part of a CPU that directs its information. Okay. Question number 5 is ROM. ROM helps the computer to know what to do when it boots up. Okay. Question number 6, RAM. RAM holds the data, programs and results temporarily while you are working on the computer. Okay. Question 7, ENIAC, first general purpose computer. Okay. Thank you. Best of luck for your examinations.